Hey guys, this is going to be another quick Linux command video. Check the link in the description for more info and for copy and paste examples. All right, so the Linux jobs command will show the status of jobs in the current session. So if you were to just type jobs, it'll show the jobs that are running. So we have two jobs right now. They're both currently stopped. We have top and htop, just because they're continuously running commands that can easily put in the background, and I didn't want to create like a script that loops or anything. Just want to keep it simple, so I just put those two in the background. Now you can show jobs with a specific job ID. So you could say modulus, and let's say number 2. You're going to only show this one job, and I typed that wrong. That is why. So modulus 2, that will show you jobs with the job ID 2. Even though we have a 1 and 2, it'll just show you job ID number 2, which is htop, right? So the other thing you can do, you can show jobs that contain a certain string, but there will be an error if more than one job contains the string. So you can say modulus question mark and just say htop, right? And this will only show jobs that match the word htop. However, worth pointing out, if more than one job matches that, like if I just do top, that would match the command top and htop. So hit that and it says ambiguous job spec. So this thing here is called the job spec, right? Now, if you want to show PIDs for each job, so instead of just saying jobs like this, you could say jobs-L, and you will get the PID for each of these jobs, this and this process ID for each of those jobs. Now, so that's kind of useful. And if you only want to show the PIDs for each job, you could say -P, and you're only going to get a list of PIDs. So that's all fine and great. Now, things to be aware of. Yeah, so the job spec can't be ambiguous. And one thing you can do, there's other ways to specify a job spec. Instead of a question mark to search for a string, you can do a dash, you can do a minus, and that will show the previous job. You can do a plus, and that will show the current job. And let's see, also 2 moduluses, current job again. Now, let's see, anything containing a string, we showed you that already. And so when you do a modulus like this will be anything containing this string, and it is ambiguous, right? Because that can match top or htop. But if you want to say something that specifically starts with this string, that works, because only top starts with top, htop starts with an H, so it won't match this job spec, so you can do that. So, and I have some, check the link in the description for more info on job specs. But this is basically everything that I wanted to cover in regards to jobs and job specs. This covers the jobs command. Now this usually goes together with the FG and the BG command. Now I have a separate video that covers jobs, FG, BG, and does all job management. I've already put one of those out, and I'm also going to have a a video specifically for the FG command and one specifically for the BG command. So check all those videos out if you want more info or you want to see how this works with other commands. Another thing I'll show you real quick, let's say if you have something in the foreground, start up to the top, you can say Control Z to put it in the background, run it again, Control Z again, Control Z again, run htop, Control Z yet again. Now say jobs, you can see a bunch of jobs show up here. See the negative is for the previous job, see it has a minus there, positive for the current job. And you can bring one of them to the foreground. For example, you could say FG 2 to bring this to the foreground. There you go. And you could hit Control Z again. And BG is going to be a whole other story. So it's currently stopped. Because it's anyways. So there you go. That is how you use the Linux jobs command. That's it. That's all I'm covering for today. Check the other videos and stay tuned for my other Linux command videos. Remember, check the links in the description for more info. Hit the subscribe button for more useful content like this. We also have a ton of other more interesting content covering things like coding, hardware, software, servers, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, and a whole lot more. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.